Hey designers, in this video, we will create this looping animation in After Effects quickly and easily. Let's get started. Here, I will take a new composition. Then, with the help of Selection tool, double-click on this rectangle tool. Now let's remove the fill from here if there is any. Let's give it a white stroke. And let's reduce the stroke to 5. Now go to the properties of this shape layer 1, like this. Go to this option called Add and choose Repeater. Go to the Repeater options and increase the number of copies to around 100. Go to the Transform Repeater 1 properties, and here make the X position 0 as well. Reduce the scale. And once you do that, you are going to see that the other rectangle sizes have been reduced like this. Now we will apply an expression on it. There is this option called Offset. Click on the stopwatch next to Offset by holding Alt on the keyboard. Write time asterisk minus 0.5 or 0.6. Let's see the movement of this loop. This is it. Now let's add more things to this loop to make it more interesting. Close the properties. Make sure no layer is selected. With the help of Pen tool, we will create a line. First of all, let's turn on this tile action so that we see the center. Now first of all, click on the center and then click on any corner that you want to draw a line like this. Adjust the stroke width. Go to the properties of this shape layer. Go to Add and choose Repeater. Go to the Repeater option and increase the number of copies to 10. Go to Transform Repeater 1 and make the X position 0. Increase the rotation value here. Let's give it the rotation 45. These are very straight lines. To taper them, go to the Stroke 1 option, go to Taper, and here increase the start length to 100%. Increase the stroke width if you want. We want the center area to be hollow, so for that, take the Rectangle tool, make sure that no other layer is selected, and make a rectangle here. Give the stroke width 1 pixel and adjust the shape. Once it is adjusted, let's give it a black fill so that the area inside of it becomes invisible. Let's adjust this shape a bit more so that it looks good. Once it is done, preview the animation. You can see the center part is hollow. Perfect. I will put the bar indicator at the 10-second frame and press N key on the keyboard to end the timeline here. This is the basic looping effect that has been created, but let's apply a few more effects onto it. For that, we are going to make a new adjustment layer. Go to Layer, New, and create a new adjustment layer. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Optics Compensation. Apply this effect to this adjustment layer. Increase the field of view, and you can see that it is being like this. Click on this option called Reverse Length Distortion. Now increase the value a bit more. In the Effects and Presets, search for Glow. Apply glow on this adjustment layer. Increase the threshold to 100%. Also increase the glow radius, and I will decrease the glow intensity a bit. Apply noise effect on this adjustment layer. Uncheck Use Color Noise and increase the amount of noise. Let's preview the animation. Alright, so our looping animation is complete. If you'd like to change the color fill of the small hollow rectangle in the center, you can easily do that. Just select it and change the fill from black to white, or any color that suits your design better. The same goes for the line pattern we created earlier. Select the line shape layer, go to the stroke settings, and change the color from white to orange or any color you like. Let's also increase the stroke width to make it stand out more. Perfect. There are a number of other things you can explore to enhance the visual style, depending on the kind of look you want. Now, I'll press Ctrl plus Z to undo the last stroke change and show you another trick. Select the first rectangle shape layer we created, the one with the repeater, and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. Open the properties of this duplicated layer. Here, you can adjust the scale to either shrink or expand it. As you tweak it, you will see the change reflected in the composition. It adds another layer of motion and depth. And again, to make it stand out from the original, you can change the stroke color on this duplicated layer to something different. If you'd like to make these orange lines dashed, that's super easy too. Just go into the contents of the shape layer, open Rectangle 1, then Stroke 1. Here, you'll see a small plus icon next to the word dashes. Click on that to add a dash setting. Now increase the dash value to your liking. You can also increase the stroke width to make the dashed lines more prominent and visually appealing. Let's preview the animation now. You can see how just a few small adjustments to our basic loop can turn it into something really creative and visually engaging. Let's increase the stroke width a bit more. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more content like this.